Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to start collecting bookings, phone numbers in Hostinger appointment system. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to start collecting clients' phone numbers while booking an appointment, click on Manage Store. First, let's give this website a visit and show you the current booking current checkout. As you see, in the checkout, I only collect email address and billing info like full name and country. Now to start collecting phone numbers, simply go to settings and click on checkout. And here next to below custom options, check this box next to require phone number at checkout. Click on save. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Check this box next to require phone number at checkout. Click on save. And now let's open my website again. Let's click on book now. Pick a date, book. And as you see now, let's make an order. For example, this is an order with those numbers, this phone number. Thank you. Now let's check out how the phone number looks like in the orders. Go to the orders page, open the order, and here you will see below the customer details, you will see the customer phone number. And this is how to start collecting bookings, phone numbers in Hostinger website builder. Without any further, if you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Thank you.